Now at 5, it was the nightmare on Christmas for some residents at a Florence apartment complex on Plantation Drive. Several units flooded this week with what one worker said was sewage. WCPO 9 News reporter Madeline Ottley toured 2 of them today to get a closer look at all the damage.
Oh, it's all the way in here too.
Wrapped up presents paint a picture
The smell is the worst.
of a holiday that hasn't happened. Constance Johnson lives in this apartment with her daughter.
That's my daughter Jessica.
On Christmas morning, water started rushing in.
Water at first, and then who knows what else came up through that drain.
She's in one of 4 units affected. She spent last night in a hotel.
Very sad. I mean, like I said, it's out of our control, but it should never happen, you know. And I think I'm sad because my daughter was sad, you know.
Across the hall,
It floored me.
Michael Simpson was staying with family when he got the news.
You know, your furniture and everything, it's going to go up into it and everything. It's just, I'm going to get rid of everything. I hate to do that.
He says he's dealt with multiple floods in this complex over the past decade.
I got severe COPD. I got Parkinson's.
He thinks it's making him sicker.
Every time I come back here, 2 weeks later, I'm in that hospital.
We've been wearing masks as a precaution well inside here. The smell is overpowering, and as you walk through the carpet, you can literally see and hear the water squish beneath your boots.
On site, crews work to suck up water.
Unfortunately, these things do take some time, and there are steps that need to be taken.
A VP for property management at Uptown Rentals says they'll get an inspection to find out exactly what needs to be done.
Whenever water sits for any period of time, that always raises that level of concern for us.
But residents we spoke to say they've had enough.
I love the place. My patio and everything, I sit out there, but I had to give it all up.
Simpson's looking for someplace new.
You want to move out.
Yeah, it's disgusting. It shouldn't be this way.
Johnson and her daughter, too.
Hopefully we can find some place to live that's cheap, a house to rent, maybe, without issues like this.
In Florence. Madeline Ottley, WCPO 9 News.